to LNA Decor. Today we're going to do an arrangement of flowers in a round box. I got a big box here, diameter 13 inches and 7.5 height. I filled in with some paper and cardboard. Other supplies that we need is obviously flowers. It could be your choice of flowers or colors. We will need a couple blocks of wet foam depending on the size of your box, and make sure it's wet foam because there's also dry foam that will not absorb water, and for our live flowers that's very important. We'll need scissors, we'll need clippers, we'll need a hot glue gun, which I have plugged in on the side, hot glue stick. We'll also need cellophane. That is for wet foam to sit in. So I'm gonna have to line the box with this, and then once I have foam soaked with water, I'll set it in the box. And also we got greens to fill in. Let's get going. First, I need to make sure I align this foam. Now that I have most of it filled up, I will take it out and go throw it in the water. When you put it in the water, you don't want to submerge, just kind of lay it on top, and as it absorbs water, it will sink down. Okay, while the foam is in the water, I will line it with cellophane, with plastic. And now we can put foam in and start arranging. And now we have the box ready for flowers. Some of the leaves, but I do leave some of them. So I start with 3 big flowers of hydrangeas in the middle, and I'm kind of eyeballing the height. If you want it lower, okay, I just realized my camera decided to turn off on me, but I started with putting 3 hydrangeas and filling in with roses. This is where we got so far. Got a little shape here. What I wanted to mention is when you're working with roses, you do want to clean up some of the outer petals because they don't look good. And obviously some of the leaves, I don't take all of them off just to have some greenery, but definitely bottom leaves do come off. got a good shape, and most of it is filled up. You just look for any holes that you want to fill in, and just pop those flowers in and finish up with greenery. And here's our completed bouquet. You can put a ribbon on the box if you want to. I'll leave it like this. And thank you for checking out my videos. If you enjoyed watching it, please hit like and subscribe. And we'll see you next time.